folks, and welcome to the Pipnotic Symposium for the 9th of August 2020. Sunday afternoon here in Spain. The sun is shining. It's a very beautiful day. I just had a quiet moment here. My boys are not here. They're skateboarding and at the square up the road, and so I thought that I would spend a moment to give you a quick tip for the coming week. So we have the opportunity with the Pipnotic supply and demand software to specify areas of supply and demand that were qualified on not only the time frame that the chart is currently showing, but also time frames smaller and also bigger. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like in the configuration. You can see here pretty clearly, here it is, we have the greater period multipliers, and when this is set to 0, we are showing supply and demand areas that are qualified on the chart what they're currently looking at. Okay, but you can also say, well, actually I want to see supply and demand from 2 periods greater than the current chart. So if I set this to 2 and press OK like so, what it's going to do is going to look at the time frame now, which is a 15-minute chart. It's going to count 2 time frames bigger. So 1 time frame bigger is the 30-minute, 2 time frames is the 1 hour, and it's going to chart these on the active chart. And the beauty of this is that you have the opportunity to refine your entries. And if we look at this just here, we can see that this is qualified on the hourly chart, but we're looking at 15-minute price chart. So what we can do is we can refine our entries. So we have this area here which we know is qualified using strict parameters on the hourly chart, but now we can qualify a refined entry, which would be here. I don't even know, let me go like this, so it looks like this. So this would give us a little bit more confidence because we'll be trading a 50-minute area supply nested within this 1 hour supply, and the trade would have been filled here, and then price moved down, we came back into it, and then we left. So here we had a pretty decent trading opportunity just here, and I like this feature very much. We had another example here. This one has been consumed, hence the dotted border of the rectangle. This is a candle here that closed above it, and then this one here is still valid because it's only been tested, and the test came here. But this area was qualified on the hourly chart. When price was down here, we were told that we should be looking to sell up here. So again, we refine our entry. Our entry would have probably been something like this, because this candle here closed below of the previous distribution candle. So this is the entry. Price came to it. We've already been up. Let's have a look. So from here to here we have 10 pips, and price went about 20 pips. So we had a 2-to-1 reward risk on that trade there. So a pretty nice feature that I encourage you all to use. You can also go the other way. You can say, well, actually I want to look at the time frame too smaller than the one I'm currently looking at, and this is pretty cool because it enables you to find enables you to find micro areas of supply and demand relative to the chart that you're looking at. So we're looking at the 50-minute chart, so this is going to be showing us 1-minute areas. Okay, if we have a look here, this is just one example. Price came down to this one, we went up. We came down to this one here, price went up, and this one here, price left, and it came back up to it, and it left. We had another one here, price bounced on it. So you can see that all of a sudden we can see a lot more information. Here we have another example. It was formed here on the close of this candle here. Price came up to it, and then we left. Okay, so there's lots of opportunity to look inside these wicks, which is what going to negative numbers in the configuration is essentially doing. Okay, so we're going at -2 time frames from the current time frame. We're on the 50-minute chart, so go down 1 would be the 5-minute, 2 would be the 1-minute chart. Okay, so just know that functionality is there, and use it if you should feel so inclined. And I'm going to leave it at that. Have a lovely Sunday, and I'll see you in the week. Again, thanks for watching.